Welcome to Japanese cooking channel in Bay Area. When I moved to Bay Area, I was very surprised that San Franciscans really love matcha flavor. You can find matcha stand, matcha ice cream shop, and even fancy matcha cafe in everywhere. Today, I'm gonna make matcha milk pudding using the real grained matcha, which is widely accepted in the US. So let's get started. Let me show you today's ingredients. I think most of them are stuck in your kitchen as an essential product except this, matcha powder. This is used for drinking at tea ceremony. This label said it's for cooking. You can choose both, but be careful not to pick one which said green tea powder. You can easily find that kind of tea at Japanese supermarket, but it's for different use. Put matcha powder and sugar in a large bowl and whisk well with a whipper to prevent getting stuck up each other. Pour milk and heavy cream in a small pan and heat until just before boiling. Pour water into a small bowl and soak gelatin into it. Adding water is first priority. Actually, I couldn't get gelatin at an American supermarket because of this hard situation. So today, I'm gonna use Japanese one which contains only 5 grams per packet. If you use an American product, each quantity of the ingredients gonna be changed. I'll write down the detail in the summary, so please check it out. Add small quantity of boiled milk into a matcha bowl and dissolve sugar in matcha powder until a smooth paste forms. This process is also for prevention to get stuck up each other. Add bloomed gelatin and melt it down. Cool mixture down with running water or with ice and stir until slightly thickened. Strain with a sieve to remove unnecessary particles. Prepare sauce. The same amount of condensed milk and milk mixed together. So how was today's recipe? The direction is quite simple. Just heat and cool down in the fridge. You can enjoy this with the sweet condensed milk sauce, so I reduced the amount of the sugar in the pudding. But you can increase it if you'd like. If you feel like making this Japanese-like sweets after watching my video, I'm very grateful. So thank you very much for watching today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Stay safe and have a nice day. Bye.